Yes, students, in the last session we studied about pyramid of number and now we will study about pyramid of biomass. Biomass is body weight. Generally it is considered as dry weight, and this biomass, that is the organic content of the body actually. And similarly, if we take in grassland ecosystem, if you take 1 square kilometer of area, the biomass of the grass in that particular area will be maximum. So if we draw it in the form of pyramid or the graph, base will be very broad. Base will be very broad of grass. Grass biomass. So grass is the primary producer because it can prepare its own food. Grasses are eaten up by grasshoppers. So if you consider its biomass, it will be lesser than this. Grasshoppers. So this is primary consumer, first consumer, which depends on grass. Grasshoppers are eaten by frog. Again, its biomass decreases. Frog. Secondary consumer. Yes, see, we are secondary consumer. Frogs are eaten up by snakes. Again, the biomass of the snake decreases. Tertiary consumer. So look at this graph now. It looks like pyramid. Base is broad and tip is very narrow. It tapers. So this is example for pyramid of biomass. And biomass is measured in terms of kg per meter square. Kg or gram per meter square. And that's why you can mention here like this, you can mention, you need not mention the exact figure. So this just to give an idea, okay, how it decreases. Now again the question comes, do you have any example for inverted pyramid of biomass? Yes, we have example of inverted pyramid of biomass, as in case of pyramid of number. There we studied parasitic food chain as an example for inverted pyramid of number. And for inverted pyramid of biomass means here the base should be narrow and the tip should be broad. And for that you can take example of aquatic ecosystem. In aquatic ecosystem, if you consider the weight of the phytoplankton, it is negligible, very less. Phytoplankton, its weight will be less. That is actually primary producer. Phytoplankton are eaten up by zooplankton. Their body mass increases. So their body mass increases. Zooplankton are eaten by small fishes. Their body masses increases again. So this is primary consumer. This is secondary consumer. So small fishes. And small fishes are eaten by large fishes. Body mass increases like anything. So look at this now. Large fishes or big fishes. Tertiary consumer. Look at this. This is pyramid but inverted one. So in exam, if it is asked the example for inverted pyramid of biomass, you can give example of aquatic food chain. This is excellent example for inverted pyramid of biomass. After studying inverted pyramid of biomass, now we will move on to pyramid of energy, the last type of ecological pyramid. Pyramid of energy. Pyramid of energy. Pyramid of energy. Same example we will take grass, grasshopper, frog, snake, etc. Already we discussed in energy flow topic that energy flows from one tropic level to another tropic level, and always the amount of energy decreases at each tropic level. So again same thing, maximum at the base, grasses, green plant, primary producer, they have maximum amount of energy which they convert solar energy into chemical energy during the process of photosynthesis. Then the next is grasshoppers. There the energy decreases. Primary consumer, grasshopper eaten by frog. Again the amount of energy decreases. Frog is eaten by snake. So this is secondary consumer, tertiary consumer. Energy is measured in terms of calorie or the joule. Okay, it is measured in terms of calorie or joule. So again, so it should be, if I start from here, I'll take as 10,000 joule. Then here 1000 joule, 100 joule, 10 joule. This is only to show how it decreases. And one thing we have to remember. In case of pyramid of number, we gave example for inverted pyramid. In case of pyramid of biomass, we gave example of inverted pyramid. But in case of pyramid of energy, no inverted pyramid. Energy always decreases, never increases. It never increases. As we move from top to bottom, it never increases. It always decreases. So there is no possibility of inverted pyramid of energy. This we have to keep in mind. Very, very important. Okay. So this is all about 3 different types of pyramid. Pyramid of number, pyramid of biomass, and pyramid of energy.